the need for establishment of African Regional Parliamentary Assembly on the Sahel and Sahara member states on the Great Green Wall, standing in now Honorable Johnson Oghuma. Honorable Oghuma is invited to move the motion.
Thank you, the Right Honorable Speaker and my respected colleagues. I am Honorable Johnson Egwakhide Oghuma. I represent all the people of Isako Federal Constituency. I am from Edo State. Mr. Speaker, my motion this morning is on the need for the establishment of African Regional Parliamentary Assembly of the Sahel and Sahara member states on the Great Green Wall. The House notes the African Union Declaration 137-8 of 2010, wherein Burkina Faso, Chad, Djibouti, Eritrea, Ethiopia, Mali, Mauritania, Niger, Nigeria, Senegal, and Sudan signed a convention in N'Djamena, Chad, to create the Great Green Wall agencies in their various states. Also note that the establishment of the Great Green Wall agencies in member states in recent times has given rise to an integrated ecosystem management approach. Aware that the Great Green Wall initiative has revived interest in sustainable land management in the Sahel and north of the Sahara, and has galvanized actions to implement the United Nations Convention to combat desertification of the UNCCD, and has leveraged a high degree of political will and leadership from member states. Also aware that those actions have increased awareness, and several donors have also mobilized substantial investments, which are offering opportunities for rapid progress, hence the need to sustain the momentum gained over the years by improving the legislative interface by member states so as to overcome past mistakes. Cognizant that the purpose of the project is the greater implementation of policies for sustainable land management in the Sahel Great Green Wall countries through enhanced investment, intersectoral coordination, engagement of marginalized groups. The House resolved to request the Honorable Speaker of the Federal Republic of Nigeria to take the lead to reach out to speakers of other member states with a view to establishing an African Regional Parliamentary Assembly of Sahel and Sahara member states on the Great Green Wall Initiative, GGWI. The House urged the Minister of Environment to liaise with his counterparts in the Great Green Wall states to enlist the African Regional Parliamentary Assembly of the Sahel and the Sahara member states on the Great Green Wall as an agenda for discussion during the next meeting of the Conference of Heads of States and Governments of Great Green Wall via the Council of Ministers. Also resolved to mandate the Committee on Environment to ensure compliance. Mr. Speaker, and my respected colleagues are so moved.
Seconder. Yes, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. My name is Honorable Mohammed Shamsuddin Bello. I represent the agrarian constituency of Taka Ismaila, Kano State, and I second the motion. Thank you.
Those in favor of the motion say aye. Against say nay. That's have it.